The majority of my clients, the number one thing, they know it can't ever bring it back to exactly the way it was. They just want to know that they're going to be safe. They want to rebuild, or that's why they're still here. And certainly want to be compensated, of course, but they want to be a part of the solution. And that's one of the things that I know, Carl, we talked about from day one, is we don't just want a bunch of money thrown at us to figure it out. We want input into the whole system, and that's why it's going to be really important, if there is a legislative fix, as they call it, that we're at the table with them and understanding and representing our clients as part of that. We can't be left out of that process and just the folks in government say, okay, we'll just take care of it and just pretend like it's going to go away, because it won't. Their lives are forever changed, but they also want to know if they're going to stay here, rebuild, and go through all that. They want to know if they're safe, and who can blame them for that? And their state government has got to be the one to step up to do it. That's just how it works.
I was out for 2 days. We came back in the following day on a Wednesday at about 8:30 in the morning. My son was already here, Ben, and he looked at me and said, "Dad, you just turn around. Let's just leave. You don't want to go in." I said, I got to go in. Everything I own's in there. He says, "There's not much there." My Corvette was inside the house, my '84 Corvette. My Geo tracker was sitting in the front yard. My tractors were in the house, and I'm a mechanic for 50 years. All my tools, there's probably $100,000 worth of tools and equipment. Everything on the first floor. We saved nothing. All of my documents, all my paperwork for years, and it was really hard.
Call your legislators, call them frequently, email, letters, anything you can repetitively, both Lansing and in DC. Just keep on telling them, we can't forget Midland. Never forget Midland. We don't want Midland to turn into a 6.5 to 7 year fiasco like Flint did. We need the state to step up, do the right thing, and take care of these people.